Okay guys, so it's pretty easy to turn the Echo Show 8. So to scramble the power adapter, so you're going to have to use the official one that came with your Echo. If you don't have one, I'll link below. So from here, just go and plug it in. Turn it around. So there's only a couple outlets plugged into the circle. So here's the thing guys. So there's no button to turn it on, it should automatically turn on when you plug it in. For me though, you see there's no Amazon logo. So what you have to do is make sure it's plugged all the way in. Just push it all the way in. Yep, there you have it. So just give it a minute, it's going to turn on. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:17 p.m.
Okay guys, thanks for watching.